This video will be an overview on how to load shipment events for shipments that you have accepted. So once you've logged into OTM and you're on the main screen, you can click on the Missing Shipment Events link. And once you click here, you'll see a list of your current shipments that don't have all of their shipment events and that you've accepted. You can click on the check mark that's next to the shipment for the one that you want to add the event to. Click on Actions, Add Shipment Events. And once this window pops up, the first thing you'll want to choose is what status you're loading. In this case, we'll load an X1 or arrived at delivery location status. So in the status drop-down box, you'll click arrived X1, X3. And then in the box below that, you'll want to choose which status you're loading. And this is very important to make sure that the one you're loading is highlighted. In this case, we'll highlight X1. The next field you'll be entering is the event date and time. So when you open that up, it will show you a calendar. Make sure you select the time first. We'll select 2 p.m. and then we'll make it for June 10th. Double check that the event date and time is correct. And then the final part will be the event location. In this case, the X1 is the delivery status. So we'll want to drop down and choose the delivery location. Some shipments will have multiple deliveries, and so whichever delivery you are marking this X1 for, you'll want to make sure that you select that. If you do not select the correct event location or an event location at all, your status may not be registered. Once you click Save, you'll see the shipment tracking event screen where you can double check. You'll see here at the top our X1 status for June 10th at 2 p.m. was loaded. And the event location is the second stop. And then once you go back to the main screen, you can click the refresh button that will rerun the query, and then you can double check in the X1 column that your status has been loaded. And you'll see here in the X1 column, that's the status we loaded, June 10th at 2 p.m., and it was the X1 status. Another way that you can load shipment events is in the active shipment screen or in the shipment history screen. When we go to the shipment history screen, we can load the shipment ID, click enter, and then go ahead and check the box next to the shipment, and it's the same process. Go into Actions, Add Shipment Event. This time we'll choose a different status. We'll go ahead and load a departed, and we'll load the departed from actual pickup, which is the AF status. You see we have AF highlighted. That is very important. Now we'll choose the event date and time. This time we'll do 9:30 on Friday, June 7th. We can verify June 7th, 9:30. In the event location, because this is an actual pickup, so this is a pickup status, we'll make sure that we choose the pickup location, and then we'll choose Save. You can also choose Save and Add Event. If you're adding several events to one shipment, it will save your current event that you're working on and open back up for you to add another consecutive event. Now we'll verify here that the AF status has been loaded properly, June 7th at 9:30, and with the pickup location as the event location.